Pakistan Army posts continue to resort to unprovoked fires using small arms artillery guns across LOC, Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Akhnur, across JNK, where Indian Army is responding proportionately. Remember, some of these sectors are in the Jammu region, but look at this, viewer. Pakistan does not have terror outfits or hideouts in India to attack because obviously we don't sponsor and encourage terrorism, which Pakistan does. So who does Pakistan retaliate against? Innocent civilians of Jammu Kashmir. Otherwise, it's so passionately claims to say it stands with, but it's people across JNK who are being targeted and also at the border. Shivani is right now in those locations and I will not reveal exactly where. But Shivani, tell me, you've been sending us ground reports from Uri. I hear a lot of news reports coming in from Poonch. What is happening? Civilians being targeted by Pakistan military. Can you confirm that for us?
Pooja, 15 lives have already been lost yesterday alone in Poonch area, in Tangdhar area, where heavy artillery firing has been going on from Pakistan's side. And this is the second consecutive day when Pakistan has resorted to heavy artillery shelling, along with the small arms firing that has been happening since last 14 days now after the Pahalgam attack. And India's preparedness is high. India has been responding befittingly and proportionately to these ceasefire violations by Pakistan. But certainly this time Pakistan is so agitated. It has been hitting the villagers, the innocent civilians out here, Pooja. We've been showing those pictures of the houses that have been gutted into fire, totally damaged. People lost their lives, and there are injured people. More than 50 people are injured in Poonch area alone. And here also, we are close to the northern Uri sector. There also there are people who have been injured, properties damaged. They are in worries, and Pakistan resorts to unprovoked ceasefire violations, not only with small arms but artillery shelling also post Operation Sindoor.
Shivani Sharma is tracking all the latest on this. Just imagine, viewers, these innocent civilians living across the border. So after Pahalgam, if you needed more evidence, just in case you had a doubt, they're targeting innocent civilians. And I can tell you, women, children, men along the line of control in Uri, Poonch, in even areas like Kupwara, other areas like Akhnur. That is what innocent civilians of India have to bear and brace because of Pakistan military this time directly. Remember that, viewer.